What words are must? What words are must that you must learn when going to a different country? These are my top words that you must know when you're going to another country. Hey everyone, this is Gilsar Vergara. If you're new to the channel, this is Dumaguete Life, or in short, Duma Life. For those of you who are familiar in the Duma area, that's what they call it, Duma. In my goal to help expats, Phil-Ams, Balikbayans, Kababayans. If I can help you, that's what I'm here for. I just want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell if you haven't. Greatly appreciate it. I want this channel to grow. These sets of videos is going to be geared towards learning or trying your best to be fluent in the Bisaya language or Cebuano. Here's my disclaimer. One, I am not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. I am Filipino born. I am island born and grew up on Long Island, New York. So, my foot is in both places, So, I am going to just share with you what I know. Now, a disclaimer too, authentic Cebuano speakers, Bisaya speakers, there is going to be a accent variation. I was born in the Philippines, came here when I was 3, grew up in America, so my tongue's going to be a little bit different. But the benefit is for me to properly enunciate and break down certain things as an American, speaking to another American, trying to learn the language, might be better. So here we go. I'm going to put the link down below on the article that I found that in, and I just tailor fit it to Bisaya. If you have to watch this whole video, go back, utter those words again, rinse and repeat, by all means, do what you got to do. Because what do you got to do? Just like with everything, repetition is key. Practice, practice, practice. So number 1, thanks. Thanks or thanks very much. Salamat. Just because it says M-A-T, don't pronounce it as salamat. No, if you want authenticity, salamat. You don't say apple, you say apple, but in this sense, mat. So thanks very much. Salamat kaayo. 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 So that's like, kaayo is more like, oh my god, big thanks. Thank you so much. Like big, like really like appreciative. So salamat kaayo is thanks very much. Number 2, you're welcome. Walay sapayan. So same thing with all the A's. You don't really do the a, you do sapayan, sapayan, like super saiyan, super saiyan. So you don't say super saiyan, super saiyan. So the A's have that like look at yourself in the mirror. Pronounce this apple, apple, apple. Number 3, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, which I say that a lot because you get into an issue with your wife. Like the informal saying is sorry ko, sorry kaayo, or in the formal sense is pasaylo ako. Like pasay, like like the size, like size. Pasay lua, like hallelujah. Ko is like I think like it means like me, like pasaylo ako. Once again, I'm sorry. Pasaylo ako. Pasaylo ako. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Kumusta man ka? Like, how are you? For those of you who are familiar with Spanish, como está? Como está? Filipino flipping. Flip that into Filipino accent intonation. Kumusta man ka? Like ka. So this is like a variation to hello, because obviously you're not going to say hello and leave. You're gonna say hello, good morning, hello, good afternoon, hello, good evening. So first thing you say is kumusta, and then maayong buntag for the morning, maayong hapon for the afternoon, maayong gabi for the nighttime. Let's break that down. So maayong, like saying young a little bit, a twist on the young. Maayang, like maayang. Now change the variation. Maayong with the O there, maayong buntag. For an American, it might be different, might be hard because you want to say buntag, which is going to really set you apart. But like I said, that A has that lower sound, not high pitch. So maayong buntag, tag. Like go hard on that AG, tag buntag. For the afternoon, it's a hapon. So maayong hapon. So as you can see, it's like the inflection, hapon, hapon, hapon. So it's really hapon. I might be over exaggerating that, but hapon. Evening is gabi. So maayong, once again, maayong gabi. So don't say maayong gabe or maayong gaibi. Number 5, can I have? As in, can I have this? Can I have that? So if I were to get these cards here, asking someone, can I get it? Like, pwede ko mangayo, can I have? Pwede ko mangayo, and then the subject. This might be a little bit hard, might take some time. In Spanish, I believe it's puede, puede. Filipino, puede, like you're spitting, puede, de la, like that type of wording. Puede, ko means me, ngayo. Americans get tripped up with the nga, that nga sound. Your tongue has to go up into the roof of your mouth. Nga. So once again, can I have? This might take some more practice for you. Pwede ko mangayo. Pwede ko mangayo. Now, you add that ana. Ana is that right there, like that. Pwede ko mangayo ana, like you're pointing, like there's a card, right? I'm sorry, there's a card. Pwede ko mangayo ana. Pwede ko mangayo ana. Pwede ko, like if the object is here, pwede ko mangayo ane. Pwede ko mangayo ane. It's like that and there, like it's one of those things. Hopefully that helped. Number 6, this is very imperative when you go to different countries. How much does that cost? Actually, Bisaya is a little bit simpler than how much does that cost. A lot of words. Bisaya broke it down to 2. Tag pila. You want to say tag, pila, but wording wise, accent wise, tag, that A, very long A, lower A, pila. Pila, like tag, P, the letter P, la. So that's how much does that cost. Number 7, yes. Very, very simple. Super simple. O or o. You know, just like, yes, I got it. Yes, okay. No, you would think it's just no. Actually, it's dili. Dili. D-I-L-I. Dili. Somebody says, oh, sir, do you want this t-shirt? Dili. But obviously, trying to be nice, trying to be a good guy, trying to be a proper guy. No, thank you would be good, right? So, dili. Salamat kayo. Number 9, I am. So this is a basic one, right? Ako, si, then your name. So introducing yourself to someone. Ako si Gilsar. Ako si John Smith. Ako si, then your name. Very simple, but very powerful, right? So the next would be, what's your name? You want to find out who you're speaking with. So before they say ako si, you know, whatever their name is, you say kinsa imong pangalan. So let's break that down. So if you repeat this video, pick up my tone, pick up, like, you know, my inflections. Kinsa imong pangalan. Number 11, how are you? This is going to be along with the hello. So how are you is kumusta man ka. Like if you want to talk about their friend or their child, their whoever, let's say kumusta man imong, like your imong bana. Bana is husband. Kumusta imong asawa? That's that's wife. Kumusta imong anak? That's child. Kumusta imong ig-agaw? That's your cousin. Ig-agaw, like gout. Like don't finish the word gout. Just take out the T of gout. Kumusta man imong amigo? Same thing in Spanish. How is your friend? Let's go on to number 12. The word great. This is an expression. So from my understanding and how I have, you know, blended in, hung out with, try to absorb the language, great from my friends, the slang and Duma, Bakong, great is like, our terminology is like chada. Chada is short for, I believe, the word pachada. Pachada. So for the terminology we use is like, wow, great, chada. Chada kaayo. Like chada kaayo. Cha-da. Just don't say chada. Number 13, again please, right? My father used to say, my mom as well. Maybe this is more the older crowd. Otra vez. Otra vez. Same thing as in Spanish, I'm sure. Otra veces or otra vez. So my father used to say otra vez, like, you know, to do it again. But I believe in Bisaya, you can say it again. I osob. Please is palihog. Palihog. Like, don't say Palihug. Palihug. No. I think that's more the informal way. Because there's other ways you can say it. Or, you know, but there's many other ways you can say it. But at the moment of what I'm thinking right now, I'm thinking is iuso palihug. Because that's what I usually say when I'm asking something from someone and I don't understand. Number 14 is they're speaking too fast. Informally, you just tell the person, oh, hinay. Like slow down. Like hinay. Or hinay sa. Like hinay sa. You know, you're telling them, like hinay sa palihog. So like, slow down, please. Sorry, I don't understand. You guys probably say this a lot. You can say sorry. It's fine. Sorry. Wala ko kasabot. Wala ko kasabot. Or dili ko kasabot. I believe it's more wala ko kasabot. Wala ko ka. Like ka, the snake from Jungle Book. Ka sabot. You say either sorry or if you're brave, pasaylo ako, wala ko kasabot. Wala ko kasabot. So number 16, we're almost done with this list. Because this is a little bit testing me, man. It's testing me. Number 16, where is asking directions. Where is the mall? Very basic. Where is the jeepney? Where is the immigration center? Where is this? Where is that? So you say, asaman. Asa man. Don't say asa man, because then no one's going to really understand you. Asa man, as if you're like Jamaican. Man, asa man. Last but not least, 17. This is when you're tired of talking to the camera and trying to translate two languages. I'm joking. Goodbye. Many ways to say it. A lot of ways to say it. Goodbye. Amongst my friends, especially the more polite way, more respectful way, mag-una rako. Mag-una rako. You'll notice that many Filipinos will just say, oh, I'll just go ahead now, because they have translated it into English, right? So you can get a little bit of that rolling R, that Spanish rolling R, but don't get it to a point where you're like, no, ra. Get that little rolling R in there, rako. So mag-una rako. So that means I'll go ahead. If it's a party, you two, or there's a lot of you, a lot of guests that are leaving at once, mag-una rami. So mag-una rami, like me as in us, which is kind of backwards, right? Like me means us. So it's weird. Mag-una rami, like mag-una rami. And then obviously goodbye. Everybody understands goodbye, you know. I know this is a lot. Like I said, stretch it out. Watch this video over and over again till you get it. Practice makes perfect. Repetition is the key. So those are the top phrases and words that you should acclimate to, familiarize yourself with when moving to a different country, visiting a different country, to help you adjust, to help you better transition into that place. But because I'm Bisaya, Cebuano, I covered Bisaya today. If you have to watch this video over and over again just to feel comfortable, by all means go ahead. Editing, that is the power of today's times. You can just press pause, practice, go again. So I hope that brought value to what you're doing right now, and I hope you enjoy that. I did, because it made my brain go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. But more than anything, hit that notification bell so you get every new video when I keep uploading. So once again, the scheduling every Monday at 9 p.m. is going to be a new video. Every Wednesday at 9 p.m. is going to be the live stream. I would love for you to ask me any questions. Comment down below with any question you want that I'll address in the live stream. And moreover, I would love for you to join me in the live stream. So for now, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, if you enjoy videos like this, comment down below so I can expand this collection, or any other topics you want me to cover as far as transitioning to the Philippines. I will help you. Whatever knowledge I have, I don't know everything, but whatever I have, I'll give to you. Take care.